Hey everyone, how's it going? This video is going to be a little bit different than normal. I'm going to try to do it all in one complete take, completely vlog style, because that's all I can really do right now. So this is more of a life update than anything else. If you didn't already know, my wife and I, we sold our home, we purchased a new home, and now we're in the middle of moving and setting everything up, which is quite a bit of work. So if you've been wondering where my videos are at, well, I haven't really had the time to do them or the setup to do them because everything is kind of torn down. I mean, there's my computer right there, and you can see there's no cables plugged into it. So I don't have anything set up right now. I am really pumped though about the future. I went from a pretty small gaming room to a pretty big gaming room. And if you take a look, I have like half the friggin' basement here. Super pumped about this. Behind me is gonna be my new gaming setup. I've got a couple of gaming chairs. I'm gonna have a TV in the center. I'll have some games on the side, some systems on the side. On the other side of the room here will be my filming station for my unboxings, my controller reviews, pretty much anything physical that is being reviewed or I'm doing some demonstrations or tutorials with, which I'm super pumped about this. And then behind me will be my computer and editing station, which obviously the only thing plugged in right now is a router, and that's about it. So I have a lot of work ahead of me. I apologize for any delays in videos if you've been expecting anything, but I don't really have the time or the setup to do anything right now. So I just figured I'd update everyone on my life and what's going on. Super pumped about the future. Let me know what your thoughts are about this, I guess, new gaming room setup in the comments below. I don't really know what else to do here. I don't normally do vlogs on this channel, so just let me know what you think of this video, I guess. And if you want to see more vlogs and more life updates, maybe I'll do those in the future. Thank you, everyone. Take care.